25, ilang percent na po ng travel expense allocation yung natitira? And how many countries has the Vice President been to that covered 20 million pesos?
Total travel expenses of the OVP as of July 31 is 20.68 million. I stand corrected with the statement of 20 million for the foreign travels. The 20.68 million, 13.21 million of which is under local travels and 7.47 million under the foreign travels of the OVP. Out of 20.68 million as of July 31, 13.207 million under local travels and foreign travels 7.473 million. 7.473.
7.478. Sir, ilang percent po ito nung total allocation for 2025?
More or less 25% for the foreign travels, and for the local travels around 40%. 40 for the local.
Natitira pa kayo, sir, more or less?
As of July 31, the balances are 17.585 million for local and foreign 24.03 million.
Okay. Sir, paulit yung foreign, sorry. Balance for local, 17.7575.
Balances as of July 31, under local travel, 17.585 million. Foreign travel, 24.026 million.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sir Kelvin, for follow-up, ma'am. Good morning po. Bella Carriazo from the Philippine Star. Sir, based dun sa a record ng media, at least 13 foreign travels na tama ang nasa listahan ni Vice President. And can you identify these countries? Nakatuloy po ba yung sa Nagoya and yung sa Tokyo this September 20 and 21?
Okay, thank you, Ms. Bella, for your for the question. Okay, on the matter of the foreign travels, no, we'll have to get the details on this one on the number of destinations. But we'd like to emphasize that all the travel overseas of the Vice President is covered by a travel authority and did not include any public funds. Did not use any public funds. Thank you. Ma'am, I cannot provide information on regarding the travel of future travels of the Vice President. We'll have to check on her schedule.
Sir, just to clarify, you mentioned that the travels of the Vice President have been covered by travel authority and did not include public funds. So saan po nagastos yung 7.473 million for the foreign trips?
The 7.47 million was utilized for the security personnel of the OVP and including the close-in or the civilian personnel.
Tama po ba na so far, every time na magta-travel si VP Sara abroad, ang covered niya po is her personal expenses as well as her family's expenses. But as for her security, that's still under taxpayers' money? Under the OVP fund. Thank you, sir.